Well, that temperature dial is certainly cranking up and it almost feels like it's getting a little bit jammed. So I thought I'd come on to take this opportunity to answer some of your most important questions. So first up, why is it so hot? Well, 3 different reasons really. The first being we've got a heat dome of high pressure building overhead. In a high pressure system, you have all of that sinking, subsiding air, which suppresses convection and allows that heat to just carry on building. Another reason is we've got this southerly air plume of exceptionally hot air coming up from southern Spain, northern Africa, as you can see over here. And that's bringing those exceptionally high temperatures to our neck of the woods as well. And it's breaking temperatures all across southern Spain at the moment as we speak. And of course, there is the reason of climate change, which is bringing more intense, more frequent periods of these heat waves. But why are weather models showing such different outputs? Well, initially they were, and that certainly was the case because further ahead into the outlook, when you can only see around 14 days ahead, that's really only one of the medium range models. And that was the case with the GFS, which was acting like an outlier, showing those mid-40s around 2 weeks out, which isn't really so trustworthy. But obviously as that period has come closer in range, we can see other models that are also lining up with similar values. And rather alarmingly, there is around a 10% chance that we could see around 40 degrees on Monday. Now, to put that into perspective, the UK has never seen any weather model see 40 degrees on its charts before, and the highest temperature is 38.7 degrees. And in the last 100 years, only 12 of those years have seen temperatures above 35 degrees, 4 of which were since 2015. Now, some models are overdoing the temperatures a little bit, and that's because of the soil moisture, and it's assuming a really low value, almost like desert soils. But as we've come closer into range, as I said before, there is that agreement that we are starting to see. Now, whether we see 40 degrees or not is kind of trivial at this point because the situation is that it is now realistic, and that is what is so alarming. Whether we see it now, whether we see it in 4 years, 5 years, 6 years time, it's something that is very real and can happen now. Regardless, it is going to be exceptionally hot, so do take care of yourself, stay hydrated. A heat warning has been issued. Take care of yourself and stay updated on our weather radar app, particularly our temperature radar, so you can check those temperature values up to 3 days ahead and also the current observations.